morning! Welcome back to my channel, Cooking with Manang Wilma. As I promised my viewers on my live show that I will be making one of the most popular dessert in the Philippines, and that is Leche Flan. So let's cook. Okay, the first thing we do when we do the Leche Flan is caramelize our sugar first. That will be on the bottom of our pan. Okay, our sugar is starting to caramelize. Make sure when you're doing this, it's really need to be in low heat because it could burn easy too. So I think I got it here a total of 10 minutes. Okay, now we'll do our leche flan. So we'll separate the egg yolk from the egg white. So I don't have a separator, so I do it the old-fashioned way. You just beat this slowly. And then we have our evaporated milk. Everything, you can't go wrong in this. You just mix them together. And then just mix that. And then your condensed milk. And so we'll pour it in our pan. We'll strain this several times because we don't want lumps. Pour our mixture here in the pan and we'll cover it with foil when you put it in the steamer so that the water on the steamer would not get into our leche flan. Okay. Now we'll put it in here. And I already got the steamer going. I mean the water boiling here. And put it in here. Oops. Oh, I hope I didn't screw that up. Okay. Now we'll cover and we'll steam it for 40 to an hour. 40 minutes to an hour. We'll check on it in about 1 hour because everything takes longer here. Okay, we'll do the night test. See if it's done. Smells good. Come out clean. Come out clean. Well, this one is not this part here. I think it's pretty good. So, we'll let it just chill a little bit, cool up a little bit, and we'll put it in a plate. Here's our finished product, our leche flan. Thank you for watching. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe. See you in my next video.